Okay, so today we are learning about writing percentages. So we are going to cover these learning objectives. First one we are going to learn today. Express one number as a percentage of another when the units are different. Okay, so this is what we need to. So percentage means if we write down 3%, okay, so there should be a percentage sign. Yeah. Percentage sign, if you get rid of percentage sign, it means you divide by 100. Okay, is that fine? If I say 15%, so 15% means 15 divide by 100, isn't it? Okay, so let's see a couple of questions based on percentage. Okay, so if you see here, first thing, 15% of 900. There are plenty of ways you can do it, but one of the easiest ways, 15% means 15, and you get rid of this percentage sign, so you divide by 100. Of means multiply, and it is 900. Okay, and there is nothing, so you can suppose there is 1. Okay, now what you can do, you can cancel top two zeros by bottom two zeros. Okay, and you can multiply 15 times 9. 15 times 9 is how much it is? 135. Okay, this is one way of solving. If you are not happy with this way, then you can find 10% of 900. You can find 10% of 900. What will be 10% of 900? 90. So whatever number is given, you just divide by 10. Okay, when you are finding 10%, so 900 divided by 10, so it will be 90. Is that okay? We want 15%. So for 15%, what you want? You want 5% more. So if 10% of 900 is 90, 5% will be half. Yeah. So it will be 45. Okay. And you can add these side. So 10 plus 5 is 15% of 900. 90 plus 45 is 135. Okay, this is second way of doing. This is first way. This is second way. Now third way also you can do it. What is the third way? So 15%. So it is 15%. 15% means what? 15 divided by 100. Yeah. So how many zeros are there in the denominator? 2. So it means you are going to put point after 2 digits, 1 and 2. So point is coming here. So it will be 0.15. Is that okay? So if you follow, this was our question. Our question was 15% of 900. So 15% is basically, it is 0.15. Yes. So write down here 0.15. Of means multiplication and 900. If you multiply 900 straight away by 0.15, then it will be 135. It's up to you. I have shown you 3 different ways of solving, and you can solve with any other way. Okay, is that fine? Now let's go for question number 2. So if you are going for question number 2, so what we can do it? 30% of 1000. 30% of 1000. So this is our question number 2. 30% of 1000. You can use whiteboard and solve different ways and how you can do that. Yeah. Please try to solve. Okay. So if you see 30%, if you solve 30, okay, so 30% means 30 divided by 100 times 1000. Okay, you can cancel zeros. So top two zeros cancel by bottom two zeros, and we got 30 times 10 is 300. If you don't want to do this, you can use different way. 30% you can find 10% of 1000. So 10% of 1000 means, I told you divide by 10, so it will be 100. Now we want 30%. We want 30%. So if you times by 3 here, then it will be 30%. Then you need to times by 3 here as well. Which process we are using here? Which? Yes? Balancing. So times by okay. So what we did, times by 3 this side and times by 3 this side. So it will be 300. Okay. So this is second way. So first way, second way. Let's make it a circle. So this is second way. This is first way. And the last way is 30%. You can write down 0.30. Okay. And you can just multiply 0.30 times 1000. So I have explained you three different ways. Whatever way you find easy, you can follow it. So 0.30 times 1000, it will be 300.00. So this is point. So still answer is 300. Is that okay? So now okay, so which way you want to follow? 25%. Which way you want to follow? Yeah?
Do 10% and divided by 2 by 5%.
Okay, that's fine. So you want to follow, okay, 10% of 500 is 50. Then you can do 5% here. 5% of 500 will be half of this, that is 25. Because it is 10, so you want to make it 20. Yes. So you times by 2, so it will be 20% of 500. You times by 2 here as well, that is 100. So we want 25%. So 20% and plus 5%. So plus 5% of 500 is 25. If you add them, it will be 125. Okay, so 25% of 500 is 125. Is that okay? Yeah. Everything is clear? Now one thing, just 1 minute. So express 30 as a percentage of 90. So 30 out of 90, that you need to find. And because you need to convert it into percentage, so you times by 100. There is nothing, so suppose there is 1. Okay, so let's sort out 0 first. Top two zeros cancelled by, sorry, 1 0 cancelled by 1 0. This 0 is there. So we got 30 times 10, that is 300. 30 times 10, and it is 9. Can we simplify it?
Yeah.
Half of 300 is 150 and half of 9 is
4.5.
4.5. Yeah. Or is there any other way we can simplify it? Yes. Divided by 3. Okay. So let's go for divide by 3. Avoid decimal. Yeah. So avoid decimal. Divide by 3. Okay, so here it is 30 times 10, that is 300, divide by 9. So if you divide by 3 here and divide by 3 here, so it will be 100 divided by 3, and 100 divided by 3 is Okay, so express 5 as a percentage of 20. So see, it is 5 out of 20, because you need to find in terms of percentage, so you times by 100. Okay, is that fine? So is there any zeros we can cancel out? Yeah. So 1 0 and 1 0 cancel out. So 5 times 10 is 50 divided by 2, that is 25. So this will be your 25%. Okay. If I say you express, okay, if I say express 3 as a percentage of 5. So 3 out of 5 is how much percentage? So it should be 3 divided by 5. Because you want answer in percentage, so you times by 100. Is there any zeros we can cancel here? No, we cannot. So what we can do, just multiply. 3 times 100 is 300. 5 times 1 is 5. And 300 divided by 5 is 60. So this will be 60%. Is that okay? So question is, a half liter of bottle of mayonnaise contains 330 ml of fat. So how much is fat there? 330, and it is half liter. So first of all, liter should be converted into milliliter. So how many milliliters in a liter? 1000. So let's write down here 1 liter. Okay, so 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. So let's write down. So 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. So half liter means 500 milliliter. Okay, so in this bottle of mayonnaise contains 330 ml of fat. So what percentage of the mayonnaise is fat? So 330 out of 500, yes, and you need to convert it into percentage. Okay, so to convert it into percentage, you times by 100. Okay, now what happens? These top zeros cancelled by bottom two zeros. Okay, now what is left? 330 times 1, that is 330 divided by 5. If you divide 330 by 5, you get 66%. So first thing what you need to notice, that unit should be same. It was liter and it was milliliter. So you can convert liter into milliliter first. So half liter is 500 ml. This was just tricky question. So 330 ml of fat. So 330 out of 500, you times by 100. Top two zeros cancelled by bottom two zeros. So 330 times 1 is 330, and in the bottom, in the denominator, just 5 left. So 330 divided by 5 is 66%. Okay, so this should be your answer. So is that okay now? Okay, so a train journey is 4 hours 10 minutes. Okay, so 20 minutes of journey is spent at train stops, letting passengers on and off. What percentage of the journey is at train stops? So first of all, see, here it is 20 minutes, here it is 4 hours 10 minutes. So convert this into minutes. So 4 hours means 4 times 60. Yeah, so it will be 240 minutes. 240 minutes and plus 10 minutes. So it will be 250 minutes. Total journey is 250 minutes. So out of this journey, train stops 20 minutes. So 20 out of 250, and because they want what percentage of the journey is at train stop, so you times by 100. There's nothing, suppose there is 1. So what you need to do, so see, top 1 zeros cancel by bottom 1 zero. Okay, so 20 times 10 is 200 and it is 25. If you want, you can simplify or you can easily divide 200 by 25. So let's divide by 5 here and divide by 5. So it will be 25 divided by 5 is 5 and it is 40. And again you can divide by 5. Again you can divide by 5. So it will be 8 over 1. So that is 8%. Okay. Okay, so we'll stop here now.